Hello and welcome to the channel. Another boat for you from Dusseldorf, the Boot Boat Show. It's the Cobra Yachts Maestro 42. Another one of those incredible boats they build in Poland. It's very much designed for living aboard. Lovely bathing platform, great moulded and very stylish aft seating area here, which opens out into a really big aft cockpit. Engines are down here, and you can pretty much have a choice of engines. I'm not going to open it because we're at a boat show, but the engine options are vast. You can go single Yanmar 85 right the way up to twin Yanmar twin 400s. So galley aft layout, and you'll notice it's quite clever the way they've got this pop-up door here, and then this other door slides across over that side. Domestic size fridge freezer there, cooker, a bit more storage there, storage above, great big windows all the way around. As you can see, if you look right the way forward, you can see massive glazing, and then seating on both sides, along with a really good dinette down there, which could potentially convert into a second berth if you wanted it to. So yeah, really big space. If I just come back a tiny little bit here and give you the whole thing with nobody in it. Massive, loads and loads of headroom. Helm over here on the starboard side. Nice raised helm station. Big double helm seat with footrest down here, and a massive side door that gives you really easy access to the side deck and also the side cleat. And then you've got your helm station, steering wheel. As I say, throttles will depend on your engine options. Multifunction display there. And again, really nice to see a bow and a stern thruster. So this is absolutely brilliant. If you want the boat to move sideways, you push both of those together. If you want to twist it one way, twist it the other way. Really nice. Nice big open companionway. Takes us down to the accommodation. So I'm going to pause at this point and say, if you like the channel, do please like and subscribe. And set the bell notification. It really does make a difference. So we're going to go forward into the master cabin. Now the first thing you notice here is the absolute vast amount of floor space. Big centerline double berth, massive hull windows. If I climb up over here for a sec, bear with me while I wobble. There you go, look at that for a big floor space. You're certainly not pinched in this cabin. And then you've got storage in all the usual places. Around here, storage in there, big hull windows, nice berth set right into the full peak there, very stylish headlining on here, another hull window, and again everybody likes to know the headroom, absolutely tons of headroom. Look at that, I'm 1.7 meters, I can just touch the ceiling. Escape hatch over there, and then behind the door here we have the heads, which is really nicely finished actually. Little sink, vanity unit there, and a really large separate shower with its own shower door. Really neat. That services the master. And then if you go back a little bit, there's the shared heads for the other two cabins. Pretty standard stuff with the shower again. And then duck down here underneath the helm console. And we have the second cabin, and again this can be, depending on what you want, can be two singles. Sorry, the LEDs are playing up. Two singles or an infill double. Again, you've got hull window access or hull light through the hull windows. Nip across to the other side, very similar thing with storage over there, but a slightly bigger double berth now. Again, it can be a single. You can take the infill cushion out and you can have two single berths. Little bit of restriction from the headroom there, but down the side is really good, and again lots of natural light will be flooding in through those hull windows. So there we go. We'll just say thank you very much. Actually, you know what, we'll head around the side decks. We'll go out the side door here onto the side decks, so you can see you can head back that way. You can head forwards, really nice wide side deck. Very much an explorer style yacht feel to this boat because of that big vertical windscreen. Lots of illumination flooding down below, massive sun pad here as well. That's that hatch we looked at in the forward cabin, and then an absolutely vast, and I know I say that a lot, but this is really massive. You could get a lot of fenders in there if you wanted to. There's a separate anchor winch locker there, protruding anchor, and then we'll go down the second side deck here. Oh, nearly knocked myself out. Side window there, down here, and then we will quickly head up and have a look at the flybridge. For the sake of it, there is storage underneath that seating unit there as well. We will follow these people up. Very, very wide steps with a nice grab rail on both sides. Takes you up to the flybridge. Currently with the bimini up, but just look at the size of that rear entertaining area. Again, doubling up for storage, so there's storage under all of these lockers. That table's set for coffee table mode, but I suspect if you change the leg, you can make that a dining table. And again, you're right at the stern of the boat, so if you were at anchor, you have a fantastic view over the back of the boat there. And then just over on this side here, we've got a little flybridge helm station there. And then just forward of that, there's a little fridge in there as well. Just forward of that is another absolutely vast sun pad. And it's quite neat because this little sun pad, I don't know where you can see this in the video, it's got its own little screen, wind deflector. So helm station here, probably a double-seated helm station. And again, this is a brand new boat. It's only been launched last year, so this video, if you're watching it, is 24. This boat was launched in 23. Helm station, so really good visibility forwards, really a good ability to talk to your crew. So there you go. Hope you've enjoyed that video. So thank you very much to the guys at Cobra Yachts. If you like, do please like and subscribe. You can click on the little icon in the corner here, or it could be that corner, and I'll put some other videos up here to follow on if you like this one. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time round.